Hello everyone, welcome back to the GDC English channel and the wait is finally over. AP PGECET 2026 result is out now. You can just log in into the AP PGECET website and you can see your results over here, response sheet as well as your rank card can also be downloaded from here as well. And if you want to see your question paper, the question paper is here only. You just have to see your result right now. For that you just have to click onto the result, registration number and hall ticket number. You'll be able to see your result, guys. Okay, apart from that, if you wanna see your download rank card, that also you can be download from here, registration number, hall ticket number and date of birth. You just have to put and you can get your rank card also. Okay, and your question paper, master question paper with preliminary key, that is also available over here. That you can, if you able to see pharmacy over here, if you able to click pharmacy, you will be getting whole question paper with the answer key. Andhra Pradesh State Council of Higher Education on a 28th April shift one paper, right? And 120 questions they have asked, and you can get all those questions that was asked in your examination, guys. Okay, so this is the way through which you can download your result and see a result as well as download your rank card. Also you can have your this question paper in front of you by just clicking onto the question paper details. Okay, master question with preliminary keys over here. Okay, so I hope many of the students would have got their dream rank, and now the time is to celebrate. And I wish you all the very best as well as many congratulations for you guys, because I know your hard work and your consistency must have paid off. Do let me know into the comment section what marks you have got and what rank you have got into the APVGE set 2026. I'll be waiting for your answers in comment section. Okay. Thank you so much. Do take care of yourself.